Okay, part two of this here. Now, I've got a couple of projects open. This is the little steel project we were working on last week, and this is the Kingspan insulated panel project as well. So, what I want to do obviously is get some of the Kingspan walls from this project and into this one here, so I can use them and play around with them and see what they'll do for me. Here is I'm going to make the Kingspan project active. Couple of things here. It's got a schedule here. Let's take a look at that. And you can see, I'll get me out of the way here. So there's quite an extensive schedule there for the Kingspan. So it's reporting back tons and tons and tons of information here. Let's just go into the fields of that. And you can see that there are lots and lots of fields. Okay, so I can see that a lot of these fields are have come in as shared or project parameters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to manage here. I'm going to check my shared parameter file. And yeah, that's my shared parameter file. So let's go in and check the project parameters. Okay, so all of those material parameters seem to be um, have come in via project parameters or have come in via shared parameters from the NBS shared parameter file. Now, the reason I'm checking that is that if these have come in via shared parameter files, it means that I can tag them and schedule them. But if they are just plain project parameters, it only means I can schedule them, but I can't tag them. And so I do want to be able to tag these. That's important to be able to do that. Okay, so I want to shift some of these wall types from the Kingspan project into my project. Now, uh, because these are walls, it means that they're system families. And I can't get at them individually, unfortunately. So I'm going to have to shift them all in, and I'm going to do that via project parameters. So I'm making my steel project current. I'm going into transfer project standards, and you can see it's copied from the Kingspan file. I'm going to check none. All right, the only thing I want coming across are the wall types, and I will go OK, and I'm going to say new only here. I don't want any messing with my existing ones. So my steel project is now current, and I will go into the families here of that, and I'll come all the way down to the wall families here. So here's my basic walls. There's all the ones you're familiar with, and here are all the sandwich panels after coming in. Okay, yeah, can I actually purge some of those out now that I brought them in if I didn't want to use them again? I just don't want to overpopulate my file. So I'll go into manage and purge unused. Now, be very careful when you use purge unused, and I've got a little video on my YouTube channel about that. First thing you're always going to do is check none, because you can see that these are checked, and they are by default. Now, when I hit check none, none of them are checked. So I'll go into walls here. Yeah, super. So I can go in now, and I can purge out ones that I don't particularly want. And they're basically the same panel with a different depth of insulation. So they are, you can see you got the different depths of insulation and a horizontal graphic feature showing the panels. Now, the what would you say the orientation of the panel, horizontal or vertical here. Now, so that's grand. I can pop out a load of those. I'll go okay. Now they're being purged out, and I'm left with a little less than I was before. Again, not just to overburden my project here. I'm probably going to use the 120s here, vertical and horizontal, and I will line those up on the sides of my buildings here, and I'll show you how to do that in the next part of this series.